In this video, I'll demonstrate how to record payments made to your suppliers using the Younote application. The application provides multiple ways to record payments, offering flexibility to suit your workflow. From the Purchase module, access the Supplier Payments section under Purchase Management, where you'll find a list of all payments made by you. To record a payment, click the Make Payment Plus icon on the top right. Simply select the supplier's name. This will populate their details. Now enter payment details, such as the amount and any payment references or description. Then select the invoice from the bottom panel, confirm the entry, and the supplier payment is recorded successfully. Another efficient method is through the supplier invoice history under Transactions in the Purchase module. This page provides an overview of all paid and unpaid invoices. You can filter invoices by suppliers, select a specific invoice. Now click the Make Payment button to open Make Payment page. This system automatically populates invoice details for faster entry. Confirm the payment and the transaction saved seamlessly. Additionally, payments can also be recorded directly from the overdue supplier payments on the dashboard, or use quick links from the supplier page for faster access. With Younote, managing your payments is streamlined and efficient. Thank you for watching, and make the most of Younote to simplify your payment tracking.